So I'm just going to show you in LiveFarmer how we record and set up our crops ready for planting. So the first thing that we need to do is to actually add an ingredient. So the ingredient of the seed will allow us to keep seed stocks, dispense seed in plantings, and forms part of our traceability. So if I just go into the ingredient, the crop that we're going to be using today will be carrots. So I'm just going to call that carrots and just save it. So I go back to master setup and I can now go into my crop. So I add a new crop. So the crop category, vegetables, and my crop is carrots. So I can choose a levy if it's applicable, payable to the government, and I can then choose my colour for my crop. So I'm just going to choose that particular colour. And I can add a chart of accounts code for reporting. The base rate is the sort of productivity of the crop. The tax type in this particular case is non-vatable. And I can choose my ingredient, which will associate the seed with the crop. So I'll just choose carrots. And rows on a bed, I can set a default number of rows. The sales forecast type for carrots would either be in kgs or tons. We'll choose kgs in this particular case, and I can give it a crop code. The yield measurements would also, in this particular case, be kgs, and it may be in square meters or in hectares. So I'll just choose in hectares for the yield measurements in this case, and I can actually set a default shelf life after harvest. So if I just press save, then our carrots are now ready for being planted.